Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2020 Infiniti QX60 Luxe that we have for sale with the Essential Package. This is the all-wheel drive model. We sold this as a new vehicle and we actually recently traded this in with those same customers we sold it to as a new vehicle. They just traded in for another new Infiniti. They wanted something a little bit different, but that's okay. But luckily for you, we have this beautiful 2020 QX60 of only 25,691 miles on it. Beautiful shape inside and out, one owner, clean Carfax, and serviced and checked by Infiniti certified techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good. It's been reconditioned and now it's ready for a new home. We're currently sold out of brand new QX60s. We have a new 22 model coming out, but we have a lot of pre-orders for those, so when they actually do start trickling in, those are spoken for. So it might actually be a few months before we have any new QX60s, but luckily we have a pretty nice selection of pre-owned ones and some really nice 2020s like this one. This one has a really nice leather interior, nice piping all around the seats. Beautiful interior trim, power and heated front seats. We have a drive mode selector, makes changes to transmission, steering effort, throttle sensitivity, traction, stability control settings. A CVT transmission maximizes performance and efficiency by offering an almost infinite amount of gear ratios. We have a Bose sound system, navigation, as well as a 360-degree around view monitor, great for low-speed maneuvering. Moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. Forward collision warning, blind spot warning. Bluetooth, heated steering wheel. Really nice color combination on blue on graphite leather. The QX60 comes standard with front wheel drive. This is the all-wheel drive model. It has intelligent all-wheel drive. Have rear climate control for the rear passenger, so you have two zone in the front as well as rear climate control. The second row seats, they slide back and forth. They also recline. Third row seat space is not too bad either. The QX60 is a mid-size luxury crossover of third row seating, one of the most popular and competitive segments. So Infiniti definitely needs to bring their A game when they compete in this segment, and they definitely do. It's a wonderful product, lots of great features. You can fold down the second row seats fairly flat. This also has the interior protection package, so it gives you a little bit extra cargo mats that cover the rear seat area, as well as the backs of the third row seats. So when you're folded down, they don't get too beat up if you're throwing cargo back there. There's also a little bit extra storage under here as well. We also have these dividers too, so you can divide up the cargo area so things won't be rolling around back there. Power rear liftgate. The reason why the all-wheel drive system is intelligent, because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be 100% front-wheel drive. That helps improve gas mileage, but it can send power to the rear wheels as needed for non-slip starts. And excellent tracks in wet, slippery, and snowy conditions. One of the best parts of the QX60 is the award-winning VQ35 engine. Infiniti has been improving and updating this engine for a very long time. They've been using this engine. I think the roots of this engine started in the late 80s. Then it was in the early 2000s we saw it as a 3-liter V6, and they increased the size to 3.5 liters. They also had a 3.7 or a 4-liter version of this engine. The 3.5 has been pretty popular. We can see this engine in lots of Nissan products. My 05 G35 actually I drove today has a variation of this engine. I've been with Infiniti 17 years, I was with Nissan 2 years. I've seen many of these engines with 200 and even 300,000 miles still running strong. You have maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the costly replacement of timing belts. If you're in the market for a nice luxury third row crossover, check out this QX60. It's definitely worth a look, and thanks for watching this video.